Hi children, welcome back to Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes series. Nice to meet you once again. In this episode, we will be covering some important fundamental topics. So, let's get started. As you already know about chess board and chess pieces, you would be eager to know how to start the game, and would also be interested in knowing how the game progresses after start and how it ends. Before going into this, we need to know some related topics. This episode focus on them. Let us see how a chess game is played. Chess game will always be started by the player with the white pieces. The first move is made by white side. Then, black side will make a move. After black plays the move, it is again white side turn to play the next move. After white makes a move, next it is black's turn to make a move again. And the game keeps progressing on in this orderly manner, where white move is followed by black move. This is how a chess game is played as per the rules. Rules are very important in any game. And in chess, it is even more important to understand the rules. Every aspect of a chess game is governed by rules. Things we learned about chess has also taught us some chess rules. Let us see chess rules we already know. The first rule is about how a chessboard should be like. Rules also define what are the chess pieces in a chess game. This we know already. The third rule we know already is where the chess pieces should be placed in a start position. Fourth rule we know is who will play first and how the game continues after that. This we saw some time earlier in this episode. And then, there are chess rules that we have not covered so far. Each chess piece has some powers based on the chess rules defining their movement. In chess, the term legal move is quite important. Chess rules and legal moves go together. What is an illegal move is identified only through knowing the rules. The chess rules clearly mentions the situation of when a side has won a game. Chess rules also lists the possible scenarios in which the game is considered as a draw. A draw is a result where there is no winner or loser after a game. And then there are specific situations in which some special rules come into picture. There are some special moves which are available to a side only sometimes. 3 special moves in chess are castling, en passant, and pawn promotion. The rules state clearly when these special moves are available for a side. Next, we will see what is a legal move and what is an illegal move. When a chess move played is in accordance with the chess rules, then it is considered as a legal move. When a chess move played is not in accordance with the chess rules, then it is considered as an illegal move. Only the legal moves are allowed in a chess game. Illegal moves are not allowed in a chess game. In chess, illegal move is seen as cheating and has to be taken back. There are rules governing every aspect of chess game. Rules in chess games are very clear and simple to apply. Hence, legal and illegal moves can be easily identified in chess. Wow! Congratulations! Introduction into some of the important topics in chess was covered in this episode. This concludes this episode. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes. We will keep building on our chess learning little by little. Bye for now. See you again soon in the next episode.